AI isn't just for tech nerds anymore, it's a full-blown money machine. Today I'll show you 3 powerful AI tools you can use to generate income while you sleep. If you're new here, hit subscribe. We drop practical digital income hacks every week. Tool number 1 is ChatGPT. This AI writes blog posts, product descriptions, ad copy, all in seconds. You can use it to freelance on Fiverr, create an ebook, or build digital content. Pro tip: offer one-day delivery gigs. Use ChatGPT to fulfill fast. Tool number 2 is Pictory. It turns written scripts into YouTube videos. No camera, no editing skills needed. Perfect for faceless YouTube channels, social media clips, and shorts. Let AI handle visuals, voiceovers, and text. Tool number 3 is Canva's Magic Write. It helps you design and caption social media posts, thumbnails, and even sales pages. Combine this with Pictory to create full video plus thumbnail packages. AI is making passive income more possible than ever, especially if you know how to use it. Start with one tool, get good, then stack the next. Subscribe now and I'll show you how to scale these into full-blown income systems.